Hello everyone, this is a question of operation research. So this operation research is studied by everyone's, I think, in almost branches. So it is very important to take this for preparation of your examination. This previous year question will be helpful. So okay, now this is also okay. This paper was little bit tough for me. Hope you prepare your examination according to that. Okay.